In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for YouTube, updated with the latest insights for maximizing your video content strategy. First, let's head over to Google Trends, which is accessible at trends.google.com. This is where you'll start your journey into the world of trends, whether you're a seasoned content creator or just getting started. Once you're on the Google Trends homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout. This site will become your new best friend in discovering which topics are trending in real time and over set periods. Now, let's talk about the location and time frame settings. You'll notice an option to change these settings at the top of the page. This feature is beneficial because interest in certain topics can vary vastly from one region to another. For instance, a trending topic in the United States might not be as popular in Europe. Similarly, selecting the right time frame can give you insights into whether a trend is new, peaking, or waning. Adjust these settings to suit the geographical context of your target audience and your content strategy, whether you're looking for short-term spikes or long-lasting trends. Next, we're going to enter a topic or keyword into the search bar. This is where you'll input terms that you're considering for your next video content. Be precise with your keywords to get the most accurate data. Once you've entered your keyword, the page will load an array of data visualizations. Now, switch over to the YouTube search filter, a crucial step for creators focusing on video content. This option is hidden under the default web search category. Clicking on it will tailor all data specifically towards what's popular on YouTube. With this setup, you'll see the interest over time graph. This graph is your window into how popular your chosen keyword has been over your set time frame. Notice the peaks and valleys, which indicate spikes or drops in interest. Use these insights to determine the best times to post related content so you can capitalize on heightened interest periods. Also vital is the interest by region section. This heat map provides geographical insights showing you where your keyword is most searched. If you notice robust interest in a location, consider tailoring content to that audience for maximum impact. Don't overlook the related queries section. This segment offers a list of other terms or queries closely related to your chosen keyword. It's an invaluable resource for content ideas, revealing topics that have higher search interest or are rising rapidly. To further enhance your analysis, try comparing multiple keywords. Enter a new keyword in the comparison bar to see how it stacks up against others. This comparison helps you pinpoint which topic might give you the best return on your investment in content creation. Finally, it's time to take action. Armed with data, make informed decisions about your next video ideas. Remember, trending topics offer opportunities but also come with competition, so balance it with unique and engaging content. Make sure to revisit Google Trends weekly. Trends evolve quickly, and staying updated ensures your content remains relevant and discoverable. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope these steps help you in leveraging Google Trends to amplify your YouTube presence. Catch you in the next video.